to Tina Hatley. Now today I am going to go around the neighborhood and ride my bike. So let's get to it. Okay, here we go.
Once again, I have not thought about what I'm going to say before saying.
I'm going to pause y'all. So I am so sorry if you can't see. I'm trying to get the best shots out here. But look out here. There's an office. That's the office. I'm literally riding my bike. Look at this. Barefooted. I'm right by the road. Right by it. I am right by the road. Oh, dead bird. Dead bird.